Wow.
No
Yes,
thanks.
please.
No thanks. No thanks.
Vertical, bring it down. I think this is better.
In total absence of light, we meet again.
Of course.
Equal in strength, my nemesis, my only friend. With small oceans roll with a heart to hate. Imbued with blistering rage, you will right the way. Fight until you die by the pain of the one you hate. End of reason, end of the game. Die by the pain of the one you love to hate with all your heart. Eviscerated soul, main sanity. All sacrifice to the eclipsed reality. The abhorrent beast has revealed its ugly face. You can crash all the mirrors, but there's only one truth. Fight until you die by the pain of the one you hate. End of reason, end of the game. Die by the pain of the one you love to hate with all your heart. Fight until you die by the pain of the one you hate. End of reason, end of the game. Die by the pain of the one you love to hate with all your heart. Fight until you die by the pain of the one you hate. End of reason, end of the game. Die by the pain of the one you love to hate with all your heart. Spill the vengeful blood, screaming in the dark.
That was a good simple dance. Hell yeah.
So I
Way
know
to
a
do
thing
it in
about
VR
black
chat
people.
technology.
Lovely.